Alright, this is track test number 1. Let me switch on the power. As you can see, we have 11.3 volts. I'm going to switch on the receiver. Sorry, the transmitter.
Welcome to OpenTX.
Alright.
Turtle mode.
Alright, it is paired. We have 5.0 volts on the buck converter, 11.3 volts on the battery, FedEx driving past, I believe. Okay, this is the slowest mode. Medium speed. Let's go reverse. Honestly, I think medium is probably as fast as I'll need to go, but high speed. Yep, there you go.